Hi Jason and Annie, we're back with You Know Jumbo. So anyway, I'm working him on the place thing, and he's probably going to need a bigger cot than that, Jason, honestly, but just bring him back. Bodhi! I'm sitting. I'm going to direct him with the hand closest to him. Bodhi, in your place. In. Good. Please, down. Now. Good boy. Good boy. So now I've increased my distance away really by backing up. So, Bodhi. A little bit more distance. Something. Direct him with the hand closest to him. In your place. Treats to happen when they're getting out of it, you know. Bodhi! Same time, I direct him with the hand closest to him. Bodhi, in your place. In. There, I'm going to do the foot step. I'm not going to try to point or anything like that. Bodhi! Alright, one more time. Nothing in the handle. In your place. One. Fall. Down. Right back with backpack Bodhi pictures.